Hey everyone, hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys another Finviz scanner, one that is one of my favorites. A lot of my money is invested in these type of stocks just because they're high growth stocks. This is not for day trading. Today's video is more about swing trading and like holding for at least 6 months. That way you guys can start to reap some benefits, or if you guys just want to have more money in these stocks instead of your bank account, that could also help you a lot as well. So we're going to go to scanner or screener, excuse me. Okay, we have a lot to choose from here, but we're just going to go to this one called CanSlim. Doesn't sound very funny, but it's just good. It's just that's just an acronym. But you can see very basic. Sometimes people think you need to have a whole bunch of settings, tuned in here. You really don't. You just have to know what you're looking for. And a lot of people don't know what they're looking for, which is why I give these out to you for free. That way you guys can use this knowledge, look at the stocks, use the technical analysis, and from here you can see what stocks you really want to buy. I know a lot of you guys think Amazon is expensive, but Amazon was expensive last year and the year before that and the year before that. So it's just no matter what it's at, hopefully it does a split and we can see some lower prices for everybody. BABA is testing support right now. Very interesting. Maybe it's a time to take a little nibble, maybe buy some calls or puts, whichever way you think it's going to go down. Of course, you have to put this into another type of program just to see how the technical analysis lays out, like TradingView or Thinkorswim or Fidelity, whatever your brokerage has. DQ seems pretty interesting right now. It broke above this level of resistance. Now it's kind of testing it out again. We have DVAX. We have a whole bunch of stocks right here. And if you're lucky, you may be able to find something that suits you guys and you can find it at a good price. Some of these have already bounced. They're kind of expensive right now and you kind of want to wait for another dip. But if we go back down, actually something that just caught my eye was EBS right here. EBS is testing support right now, pretty close to it. And that lets me know, like, hey, I might want to buy some calls right here for about a month out, maybe and find somewhere of a cheap price. And I'm like, hey, look at this. It's definitely trading in these nice little waves here. If I can, guess that next wave, I can make a lot of money off of that, especially as in the options market. And then, and since it's not a GameStop and it doesn't have very high implied volatility, you're not going to lose as much money as you would if you were trying to guess that GameStop was going to go up or down. But that's far more complicated than I want to get into this for this video. But you can see AMRS is breaking out. It might break out even more. So there's a lot of stuff you can see here. And right now, this is actually only giving me 46 stocks. That's pretty good for me. Not good for the market overall, but that's pretty good for me because that means I don't have to add any more, anything else to the scanner. Like sometimes people like to go to over 20 bucks or over 10 bucks, something like that. And then it takes it down to 36. But you're not going to find many penny stocks in here just because penny stocks usually do not have good fundamentals, which is some of the stuff that I'm looking for right now. I'm looking for good sales growth, good EPS growth, just quarter over quarter growth. That's what I'm looking for right now. And when you see something you like, whether it's whatever type of chart you're looking at, Facebook right now, Facebook's about to break out up. If I'm following what everything else has been going on in the market, everything's going up. Facebook, I think, is about to blow its top off and head towards 300 bucks. So I'm probably going to buy some calls tomorrow if it doesn't boom tomorrow morning. And then hopefully I'll be able to make a nice little quick profit off of that by holding these calls for maybe 1 to 2 weeks. And we'll see how it kind of goes from there. But that's it, everybody. I'll leave you right here. You guys can look at this yourself. If you guys find this talk that you guys really want to talk about, you guys can always join the, I guess right now it's just like the Reddit or the TikTok communities or the YouTube communities too. And just let me know what you guys think, or, just do the work yourself and, see if it works out and come back to me. I'm always here to help you guys out. I have a live stream every day from usually about 10 o'clock to 1 p.m. West Coast time. And then I'm always here. If you guys have any questions, you guys know, just ask away. And it might take me a little bit of time to figure out the answer, but I'm usually here to help you guys out. Thanks, everyone.